Odan CTC TV. The American piano of Anissa. Odan for na jatum. Tell party. What I say, what jatum? Tell party. Party jatum. Odan for Jimudi. Monti Tumu. City TV. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place to share. Blaster place no. Ghana local place no. All will be a share. City TV. City na. Keko. Go on.
Sounds so good in the blanket, instantly spot him because he is in. Afro dance song to the universe, he said, oh what a time to be alive. No dead moments when he arrived. Every rock thrown at him is a stepping stone because he's the living stone. Darkness got no space around him because he's the culture. And I wonder why they keep testing him when he got his degree and doing his masters. He's done with the school. Y'all still in class and you still miss. I can't even make this up. Cause you know what is up when you see me on stage. Ghana, Accra, ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of GDMC. Get up on your feet for the wedding artist of the year. One God.
God is the most mighty, and God is the protector. The deliverer, the giver of life, the giver of talent, and all these things. I know who I can fight, I nobody. God is the most mighty, and life is the ultimate. Oh no!